Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm finally getting around to taking down this fall decor. If you're in the same position as me, or if you're late to the game, no judgment here. We all work at our own pace and do our own thing. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're starting off in the bathroom. I've got my daughter Sanaya here helping me out. We're gonna clean the bathroom real quick and then put away all this miscellaneous fall decor. I did want to let you know I had ran to Target a few days prior to this and got a new shower curtain, a new rug, trash can, towels, and soap dispenser. And I believe it was all under $100, so it wasn't bad to revamp this space.
Give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
I did want to let you know that I am a part of a ultimate holiday collab. So when you're done with my video, make sure you go to my description box and go ahead and click that playlist so you can watch their videos as well.
You wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
In my spray bottle, if you've been around for a little while, then you already know, lavender scented Fabuloso. I just can't get away from this product. I absolutely love it. The scent is amazing and it cleans really well too.
Bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the.
I want to know what your opinions are on putting a plastic bag inside of the trash can. I know they have like those little trash can liners. I've never bought them before. I just use like a regular like leftover bag from the grocery store. But I also know that some people think it's tacky. So let me know what you think.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right.
Guaranteed, there's always dirty dishes. So let's get started with that in the kitchen.
Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be sick.
I'm not sure if you noticed yet, but I'm just going to go ahead and call myself out here. My whole kitchen is unorganized and I have a ton of things to declutter. I bought some new pots and pans, some new measuring cups and spoons and all that jazz. So I am super excited to declutter in here, you know, take out the old, bring in the new. So a whole kitchen declutter video will be coming to you guys soon. Just make sure you have your post notes on because I'm not exactly sure when it'll be up.
Without no gloves, you can do better.
Okay, you guys, so I do have a junk drawer, maybe even a junk 2 drawers. So I know I need to, like, once I do my kitchen declutter, I'm going to get rid of a lot of these things. But to completely get rid of a junk drawer forever, I kind of doubt it. I feel like everybody has at least one in their house. Let me know if I'm right.
Into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, break the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go.
So we're finally getting to where the bulk of my fall decor was.
Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be in you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, break the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be in you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. 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 Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
So as you can tell, both of these bins were completely overflowed. So we're going to end up just adding it into some empty boxes that we have in the garage. And then it'll be ready to go for next year.
Honestly, look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blush?
So that is all I have for today's video. wow, everything looks so fresh now and completely empty. So I'm just taking my time, getting some more decor that'll be going up in the next few weeks. I bought a few things already, but I definitely need to add to it. So that'll be coming your way as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe and click that red subscribe button below. And I will see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.